Welcome back. It's time now for the Business Day. The Jamaica National Group is gearing up to establish JN Bank in the Cayman Islands. Jamaica National CEO Earl Jarrett says the group has signaled its intention to Caymanian authorities that it will be changing its business model. JN Cayman currently operates as the only building society under financial laws in the Cayman Islands. Mr. Jarrett says a major reason for the conversion is regulatory constraints which have impeded growth and profitability for years. He says JN Cayman's growth has been stymied by building society laws, which stipulates that the ratio of deposits to loans must be less than 75%. Now, Mr. Jarrett says a commercial banking license would enable an increase in the deposit and loan portfolios, as well as expand the remittance business. In currency trading, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $151.56. The Canadian dollar sold for $119.98. The pound is going for $210.93, while the euro ended the day at $187.29. On the stock market, the JSE index gained 3,840 points today, while the junior market index lost 19 points. Among the winners were G West Corporation, Everything Fresh, Portland JSX, SSL Venture Capital, and Key Insurance. On the losing side were Siboney Group, 1834 Investments, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Fosrich, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories when we return.